All right, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Illumination OpenG. So kindly click on the subscription bell and like my videos, and also share the link with colleagues, students, friends, and those who are willing to learn accounting. Now, in the last video, we treated the adjustments. So currently, we're going to go ahead and treat the trading profit and loss account. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay. So the trading account. So let's just draw the format here. Trading account, profit, loss. So let's see, we just back that. Trading profit and loss account. So please, this is just for explanation. Ensure that your work is neat and also do what is right. Be professional about your drawings and your writing and don't cast. Okay, so trading, profit, and loss account. Okay, account. And loss account. Okay, so let's roll that. Okay, so we have opening stock. Opening stock. Okay, from the question. So let's check the opening stock. The opening stock. The opening stock is okay, let's see that. So, stock that is 32,000 as seen here. So opening stock is 32,000. So that's 32,000. Okay. So let's move on. We have add purchases. Okay. So let's add purchases. Purchases is how much? That is 65912. 65912. So let's add carrying words. So that's cost of transportation. Okay, so we're adding carrying words. Carrying words. So the carrying words from the question. Do we have carrying words? So we don't have carrying words in this question. We're carried out once. Okay, so we don't. So we don't have any carrying words. Okay, it's 5912. So that is 97912. So do we have return inwards? If you have return inwards, we're going to deduct that on the sales. But if you have return outwards, we're going to deduct that from the purchases and carried inwards. Okay, so in this question, we don't have return inwards. Okay, and return outwards. Okay, so we're supposed to deduct return outwards if we have that from the purchases. Okay, so we don't have return outwards. So let's just go ahead and say less. So less. So this is going to be our cost of goods available for sale. Okay, so let's go ahead and less closing stock. Okay, closing stock. So the closing stock is 33,000. So the closing stock is it 33 or 39,000? Let me check that again. The closing stock. So that's 39,000. This is an error. It should be 39,000. Okay, this is 39. 39. You can see that here. This is it. 39,000. Okay. 39,000. Okay, so let's close stock 39,000. So please don't make mistakes. So we have 39,000 here. So at the end of the day, we're gonna have the cost of goods sold, which is going to be 58912. Okay, 58912. So let's go ahead and work on sales. The sales figure we have here is 129622. Okay, 129622. So let's go ahead and post that 129622. Okay, sales 129,622. Okay, so let's close this stock. Let's okay, we've done that already. So let us, the cost of goods sold from the sales will give us the gross profit. Okay, so we're gonna have gross profit here. Gross profit. Okay, so gross profit is gonna be this. Okay, deduct it from this. Okay, so that is gonna give us, so let's see that. That's gonna give us how much is 770. Okay, so that's gonna be 129,622. So 129,622. So let's go ahead and close this to 129,622. Okay, so so we have been able to calculate the cost of goods available for sale, which is 97912. Also, we're also able to calculate the gross profit, okay, which is 7710, which we're going to transfer to the P&L account. Okay, so the P&L account now. So gross profit brought down. This is 70710. 71. Okay. From the question we have expenses here. Okay, expenses. Okay. So we have discount allowed. Discount allowed in the question. Discount allowed is let's check that. So we have discounts allowed as 3,000, insurance 112, rates 250. So discount allowed 3,000. That is 3,000. Okay, 1,000. We have so let's just go ahead and check the other expenses. We have eating and lighting, that is 1980. 1980. So I'm trying to see if I can finish up this question within the next 7 minutes. I don't want this video to be too long. Eating and lighting, okay. Lighting, that is 1980. So we also have office expenses. Office expenses, that is 4017. We have carriage outward. Carriage outward is 3913. We have stationery. Stationery, that is 317. 317, okay. So let's move on. We'll finish up quickly. So you can go to the question. So and see for yourself. So we have stationery 317 in the question. So we have wages and salaries. Wages and salaries, that is 30,084. Okay, we have telephone expenses. Telephone, we have 457. Okay, we have insurance. Okay, insurance, we have prepayment and the insurance. Okay, that will not be the value of the insurance is 112. Okay, minus 27. So that will give us 85. Okay, that's prepayment. We have rates. So rates, that is prepayment. That is 230. We have done that in the notes. 230 minus, just an explanation. 230 minus 95 will give us 155. Okay, 155. We also have audit fee 250. Audit fee 250. Okay, 50. So I hope I can finish this within the next minutes. Okay, so we have all this 250. We have legal expenses. Legal. We have 25. We have bad debt. Bad debt written off. Okay. Bad debt written off is bad debt written off should be 81. That's 812. Okay. Oops. Okay, we have provision. Provision for doubtful debt. Provision. So the provision for what we calculated is 153. 153. Okay. So we have depreciation. Depreciation. We have L&B. L&B is 1,200, and we have motor vehicle. So motor vehicle is motor vehicle from the question. Depreciation is 1,000. Okay. So when we add up, so let me just find a way to just write this down there. I don't know. I think I did some work on some questions in my previous videos. Okay, so let me just say net profit. Net profit. Okay. Net profit should be. So let us go ahead and discount. Let's work on discount. So we have discount received. Count received. That is 715. We also have interest received. That is 25. Okay. So at the end of the day, we're going to be left with. So let's go ahead. So let me move that up. So we have a total of 71450 when we add up. 71450. Okay. And also the net profit, when we add everything up together with this, and with the deduct, we're going to have a net profit of 24002. 24002. Okay. So the total of 71450. So on this note, this is how you're going to prepare the trading profit and loss account. You can go ahead and try out the questions yourself. Okay. And right now in the next video, we're going to move on to the balance sheet or statement of financial position. So thank you very much for your time, and take your time out to also practice. And also don't forget to follow my YouTube channel at Illumination Hub NG, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the videos, and also share it with your colleagues and friends. So when you're preparing yours, try to make sure that your work is neat and well arranged, okay, compared to what I've done here, because I've already tried to explain and do some working. So thank you very much for your time, and have a wonderful day. So see you in the next video, where we're going to be treating. We're going to be posting some of these transactions into the balance sheet. Thank you very much.